Hello everyone, my name is Pooja. I'm a numerologist and a tarot card reader. Today I'm going to talk to you about how 2022 is going to be for the number one person. So all those born on the 1st, the 10th, the 19th and the 28th of any month are called number one people. So let's see what 22 has in store for you. We will talk about your career, your relationships, your health, and in the end of the video I would also give you some tips as to how you can enhance or you can improve 2022 for you. So let's get started. First we will talk about the career. Okay, this year should have been a good year for you. Whatever you had planned, whatever you had thought of, to quite some extent you have been able to achieve all that. Okay, your targets have been completed. Whatever you had thought of, things would have happened in that way. But the coming year is going to be a little difficult. It is not such a positive year as this year would have been for you. So you have to be a little careful. So just follow the guidelines and just think about, keep these things in mind, whatever I'm going to tell you for 2022. In the year 2022, it could so happen that you could feel a little less confident. You would not get the support that you always got from your colleagues at the workplace. There could be some misunderstandings, some arguments at the workplace, or be it your colleagues or be it with your boss. To quite some extent, it could so happen that you could be giving it your 100%, to some project or to something. But when it would be the time for promotion or to take the credit, somebody else could take the credit instead of you. So a little setbacks are there for 2022. Okay, the more you plan, the more disappointed you might get. So this year is all about taking a back seat, being a little more patient, not expecting too much, be it your work, be it your relationships, be it your health wise. The sun is your ruling planet. So generally you people like to be in the commanding position. You like to take the leadership, the authority, and you like to give commands to others, not to take orders. But this year is all about compromising, being a little more patient, trying to understand and trying to listen to people rather than giving orders. If you have a business, my suggestion to you is do not start anything new. Just carry forward whatever you had started this year to the next year. Do not take risks with your money. Also, do not do any partnerships this year. It will not be very good for you, as the person with whom you try to do the partnership will try to take advantage of you this year. So this year is all about just taking the back seat, not trying to be very adventurous with your money. Think twice before where you're investing. Do all your research before you invest your money. Do not take any big steps. Just try to go with the flow. Do not do anything new this year. Now talking about your relationships, this year you would have to be very careful as to what you talk to others, because even the slightest of things that you say could be misunderstood. There would be a lot of fights and your confidence level could be a little low this year. So do not get into unnecessary fights or arguments with your spouse or your loved ones. You might think that your partner is not very understanding in the coming year. You might think that they are not very cooperative. But it is you, in fact, who will go through an emotional phase. It could so happen that you could be feeling very confused. You would feel that you are not being able to take decisions, not being able to decide, not being able to come to any conclusions in the coming year. So it is best not to think too much. Just let things be. Eventually things will happen. So don't constantly keep thinking about why this is not happening. And another thing is the people whom you have commanded over, or the people whom you have given orders to, in 2022 it could so happen that they could try to empower you this year. Just because you are feeling low, you are feeling less confident, it might happen that you have to take orders from those people. I know you cannot take orders from people, but sometimes it is okay to let that happen. And 2022 is a year where you have to try and understand that this is not a very positive year for you. So just go with the flow. Don't try to over analyze things. Okay. Just take things as they are. Do not think too much, because these might lead to health issues. These might cause problems, anxiety, depression. You might feel sad. So 2022 would be about taking a back seat for all of you, being in the second position. You need to be a little more compromising. You need to be patient. And if we talk about the remedies for you, the first and the most important remedy I'd like to give you is you need to control your anger this year. So try to do yoga, try to do meditation. That could keep your mind cool. Also, try to wear the lucky colors for you. So sun is your ruling planet, so the colors favorable for you are orange, yellow, red. So try to use them as much as possible. And what you can do is you can wake up early, have a bath, and offer water to the sun. This could also help you to quite some extent. So this was all about how 2022 is going to be for the number 1 person. Wish you a very, very prosperous new year in advance, and I'm sure you would follow these remedies and keep these things in mind so that 2022 is a very beautiful year for you. Thank you.